Well out. Come on. I never expect San Antonio to have so much beautiful view. Never expect this.
So we ate too much food and we're walking on the river walk. We didn't drive here.
You can.
I am tired. The sun drained me. The camera. Let me see. Gotcha.
I always been to San Antonio, but I never really check it out to see what it's all about. So it surprised me today. Very interested. Yeah, come back. It was a nice experience, a nice weekend, nice getaway. I will do it again and again.
Next week again.
Somewhere next time.
Where are we at? Where are we at?
Beautiful idea.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Missy, you gonna follow me?